Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Deck the Year. This will be week 13, which will be March 28th. And because it's very close to Good Friday and Easter, I decided to make a fun little Easter altered playing card. And for those asking, yes, they are the same size as as an artist trading card. They also are the same size that fits in the baseball trading card pocket that we've done. Some of us have done 9 pockets and made pocket letters to trade with people. So, loads of fun. It's just a little piece of art, and you can trade them with other people, or you can keep them like I am this time and put them in a book, because this is a 52-week long collaboration. It's an open collaboration and it's hosted by, um, oh gosh, Penny's Crafty Creations. Yes, I know that. I just have um, brain blocks sometimes. I don't know what the right word is. Okay, so my starting point was this. Now, this kind of is a thorn in my side because this watercolor tablet is sealed on both ends. So I have to cut it out basically down at the seam, and then I can lift it up and tear it off the other end. But why would they do that? Seal both sides. Anyway, if you have an X-Acto knife or something, you can do that, which is I started to try and pull it and it didn't work, but you see this one came out nice and clean. Anyway, this is Prima watercolor paper I've had for years. I'm using it now. I also decided to go with some colors that I don't usually use. And if you're familiar with Stampin' Up! At all, a lot of the demonstrators, when they have a new catalog come out, do what's called a paper share. So, and they give you like partial packs. This one, I think I only got like 6 sheets of a 12 by 12 paper cut down to 6 by 6 or something like that. Um, but and it's mostly grungy and motorcycle stuff and road trip stuff for guys or people into grunge and motorcycles. I've ridden on motorcycles several times. Anyway, never drove one myself though. Um, but the reverse of one of these papers that I thought, I'm probably never going to use these papers is this orange. See, it's like road tread marks. Um, I use this side. This color I think is pumpkin pie. Yes. And because it's Easter, I brought in the Easter egg stamp set. This is a knockoff from Stampin' Up! I don't like how the sentiments stamp it all. The stamp did okay, but I stamped it onto watercolor paper and I used StazOn black. And I only used the one die to die cut it after I watercolored it. I used Altenew Vibrant 12 half pans watercolor set. First time I ever used it. I'm not a watercolor artist by any stretch of the imagination. I barely can get by with it. And I use this Easter Bunny set. I use this and the Happy Easter and the coordinating bunny punch. And then there's a couple other things I'll show you as we go along. But here is my altered playing card for week 13, 1-3 down here. Here's the watercolored Easter egg. I used the yellow. There was a pink. And I tried to use, like I said, color I don't use very often, which is orange. So we have the orange paper in the background. And as I was looking through my stuff, I found orange yarn unopened, I believe. So I just wrapped that around three times, across and over, and yeah, which is bulky and the back is sticking up a little bit, but it's okay. I used the orange, the yellow, this sort of pinkish purple, I think it's like a magenta. These sort of pop in, and I think that's it on this card, just those 3 colors, yellow, orange, and then the pinky purple. I didn't use the real red. I did use some of these for a different project, which you'll probably see before this one. Here's the bunny. I stamped him in Stampin' Up's Pecan Pie, but I colored him in alcohol markers of Crumb Cake Light and Dark. For his fluffy tail, these are no longer available, but these chalk markers, you can probably get them chalk markers somewhere else, Michael's or any of those stores, right? Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, I did the belly and the tail in the chalk marker. I used a little bit of bubble bath for its ears, nose, and mouth, and a little bit, I think, of a color called Balmy Blue Light for its inner eye. This is a ribbon down here at the bottom that's all sparkly, and it's from Dollar Tree. Uh, they don't give you colors, but, you know, it's this one. Sort of a purpley pink. And then this is eyelash trim that probably was from Dollar Tree also years ago. I'm not sure if it was open because I couldn't find the end and I snipped it probably where it's not the end. Oops me. But I don't knit or anything, so, you know, it's okay. And then the Happy Easter was stamped in Melon Mambo by Stampin' Up, and I fussy cut around it. The 1 and the 3 we're using the Close to My Heart letter stamp thing that I have. I showed you before. And this butterfly is one of these white ones from Dollar Tree. And I used alcohol markers in Melon Mambo and Pumpkin Pie Light. Dark Melon Mambo, Light Pumpkin Pie. And then all the glittery stuff is this stickles called Neon Flamingo. And it appears I probably got it at Tuesday morning in 2018. It says our price 99 cents and regular price $2.19. Nowadays probably more like $4 or $5. I have no idea. I haven't bought any in a long time. Anyway, June 2018 is when they put it out. And then I just, it has already a but dimensional square on the back, but I added some extra glitter glue to it and also onto the wings and here so it would stick on better. And I think it came out cute. Let me know what you think. I used orange. I don't use orange much. That's actually looking really yellowy. I guess it's more orange than the background. I mean more light than the background, huh? But it's really coming across very, the whole thing is like yellowy. Oh, and I splattered with the watercolor. I splattered the egg too with that pink color. I don't know if you can see the splatters. Under the happy there, you can see, yeah, all around the happy. Why is that so blurry? Anyway, that's my project for March 28th. And by the time you see this, we will be heading into April. And you know what, guys? I have planned out an idea. Not, I haven't gotten all the supplies out or anything, but I've planned out my ideas all the way through week 26, the halfway point. And yeah, I don't know if I'll stick to it, but I have a plan anyway because I want to make sure I kind of know what I'm going to be doing. And sometimes I do multiples at the same time, which is what I'm doing this month. I'm doing these all together on one day, but I'm doing the videos for each week. So I think some others of you do that too, because, you know, I just get in the mood to make them and then I'm on a roll. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful day. Have a happy Easter. And I will see you in April. Hugs, love, and peace.